For more than 40 years, there have been no direct flights between United States and Lebanon. But now, this could be changed. The US President Donald Trump has announced the American Airlines that it will be allowed to fly directly to Lebanon again. He made the announcement after meeting Lebanese President Joseph Aoun at the White House. Now, the two leaders discussed how to improve the relations between the two countries and how to keep Lebanon a stable state after months of fighting involving Israel and Iran, also Hezbollah. After the meeting, Trump said that he had directed his administration to allow the US airlines to start direct flights to Lebanon. He said that this would make it easier for Americans to visit the country. Though Trump also praised Lebanon and said that country has been treated unfairly for many years. He has promised that the states would now continue to support Lebanon and help it in the future. Direct flights between US and Lebanon stopped in 1985, and at that time, the Reagan administration suspended the routes after the hijacking of TWA Flight 847, a major historic incident that raised serious security concerns. However, even though Trump has approved the returns of the direct flight, that does not mean that flights will directly begin immediately. Airlines still have to decide whether it is safe to operate in that region or not. Within the ongoing tensions involving Iran, the influence of Hezbollah in Lebanon and security concerns across the Middle East could now delay the restart of the flights. President Joseph, on the other hand, is on a 4-day visit to Washington. During the trip, he is also discussing the ways to bring a long-term peace to the southern Lebanon and strengthen the cooperation within the United States. If the direct flights do restart, it would make the first time in more than just 4 decades so that they would be able to fly between the US and Lebanon without any layover. This was both business, tourism between the two countries. For now, the announcement is an important political step, but whether the airlines actually begin to fly between the two countries depend on just the security conditions in the region in the coming months.